Exodus chapter 31, verses 1 to 18. 31. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, 2 Behold, I have called by name Bezalel, the son of Uri, the son of Hur of the tribe of Judah. 3. I have filled him with the Spirit of God, in wisdom, and in understanding, and in knowledge, and in all kinds of workmanship. 4. To devise skillful works, to work in gold, and in silver, and in bronze. 5. And in cutting of stones for setting, and in carving of wood, to work in all kinds of workmanship. 6. Behold, I myself have appointed with him Oholiab, the son of Ahisamach, of the tribe of Dan, and in the heart of all who are wise-hearted I have put wisdom, that they may make all that I have commanded you. 7. The tent of meeting, the ark of the covenant, the mercy seat that is on it, all the furniture of the tent. 8. The table and its vessels, the pure lampstand with all its vessels, the altar of incense. 9. The altar of burnt offering with all its vessels, the basin and its base. 10. The finely worked garments, the holy garments for Aaron the priest, the garments of his sons to minister in the priest's office. 11. The anointing oil and the incense of sweet spices for the holy place. According to all that I have commanded you, they shall do. 12. Yahweh spoke to Moses, saying, 13. Speak also to the children of Israel, saying, Most certainly you shall keep my Sabbaths, for it is a sign between me and you throughout your generations, that you may know that I am Yahweh, who sanctifies you. 14. You shall keep the Sabbath, therefore, for it is holy to you. Everyone who profanes it shall surely be put to death. For whoever does any work therein, that soul shall be cut off from among his people. 15. 6 days shall work be done, but on the 7th day is a Sabbath of solemn rest, holy to Yahweh. Whoever does any work on the Sabbath day shall surely be put to death. 16. Therefore the children of Israel shall keep the Sabbath, to observe the Sabbath throughout their generations, for a perpetual covenant. 17. It is a sign between me and the children of Israel forever. For in 6 days Yahweh made heaven and earth, and on the 7th day he rested, and was refreshed. 18. When he finished speaking with him on Mount Sinai, he gave Moses the 2 tablets of the covenant, stone tablets, written with God's finger. Thank you so much for joining me watching Exodus 31, verses 1 to 18. I hope you enjoyed the Bible study. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up-and-coming Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.